Hello, everybody. Rob from Make Money Audit. And here's another one of my favorite ones, the Ecom King. Claude Fable 5 and Seedance 2.0 equals 100% viral. UGC ads is 6.4 ROAS. Food tutorial, food in 14 minutes. Yay, full tutorial. Nice going there, partner. Anyways, let's go back to it. Here we go. So the Ecom King says the AI workflow hits a 7.9 times ROAS. Basically, he gets a D. Should have got an F, but we're generous and we're going to give him a D. But you watch the whole video. He never opens an ad account, never shows you dollars spent, never shows you one sale. It's all about making the ad, never running it. The 7.9 times is a number without nothing behind it, which is just about every one of this guy's videos. There's just a lot of people, a lot of things you see flashing up there. None of it was worth a crap. None of it. This guy is one of those ones who slings more shit than I've ever seen besides Chris Conner. So let's go a little bit in here. Okay. Oh, all 14 minutes are making the ad at Higgsfield, Fable 5, Seedance, and CapCut. He never opens up an ad manager, never shows you speed, never shows you the sale. Zero proof. The number sells the video. Yep. Basically, it's just another one of his things. We'll listen to him a little bit and then we'll go back into it.
Fable 5 is a game changer for AI UGC, for meta ads and TikTok ads. And some of the ads that we're running are getting a 7 ROAS using this exact workflow.
My husband snored every single night for years. Melatonin, earplugs, tried everything for my husband snoring, nothing worked. Then I found this little mouthpiece. It keeps his airway clearer so he sleeps deeper with way fewer interruptions.
Okay. Couple things you got. It's so crap. It's just so crap. So his own description says you make 100 ads variations to find the one that hits. You're showing the winner, not the 99 flop. And here's the thing. Each one of those ads that you run costs you money. So there's more money out of the gate that he's not telling you. Big surprise there from this one. Let's see. The ROAS comes from a product they offer, the page, and spend the testing, none of which he touches. A beginner ends with one AI clip after burning credits, cutting out glitches, and he admits it there. Yeah. And if you didn't notice, to get, Fable 5 on Claude, you got to have the Pro Plus or the Max Plus business. So you're spending $70 to $100 a month right there just to get that, on top of all those other programs that you need to spend just to try to make money. Another one of his lost leaders. What a mistake. Do not follow this guy. I don't understand how 613 people can follow this guy. He just is full of shit. So, and basically, yeah, it's a stacked affiliate funnel. Okay, we get that. We all know they make money off their affiliates, but the idea is crap, guys. Don't do it. The workflow is real, okay? The AI UGC is a realistic tactic. It's honest, the clips glitch, and the burn credits. The tool is real. The 7.9 times ROAS is bottled onto the part which is no evidence. So basically, it's just another one of his videos trying to get you to sign up and think that he's preaching you the good things. This is a good idea. You're going to be spending a lot of money to get the shit done. That's it. You guys need to be realistic. It is possible. That's the only reason why I got a D again. It is possible to do this. You can do it. But you need to have realistic expectations on time to when you're going to get your money back. These gurus do not tell you that. They do not give you the realistic time frame. So I'm surprised on why everybody keeps watching. If you look and do the homework, it's just crap. So if you're doing something like this, please let me know. I'd appreciate a comment so we can talk about it. I'm not going to take your business apart. I just want to know if somebody's actually doing it and if they're making money and what it cost for you to get there, what it took for you to get there and how much did it take to get there. All right. Thanks for watching, everybody. Like and subscribe, and we'll talk to you later.